1. What is a Google Drive? Google Drive is a cloud-based storage service that enables users to store and access files online, and you can share file or folder to another people that you want. And the file storage is 15 gigabytes. 2. Open the Google Drive. First, open Chrome. Next, click on this Apps button. And click Open Drive this icons. 3. Interface. I will show you some buttons of the Google Drive. New is a button upload file or folder from your device. And My Drive is a button using for keeping file or folder that you uploaded. Share with me is a place keep your file which another someone share file to you. Trash is a button that collects your file or folder as remove. 4. Upload file and folder. If you want upload file and folder from your computer. First, click on New button. And click File Upload. Select your file to upload. Finish, click Open. If is ready, that will show correct check. After, Upload folder. You just click on New button. Click on Folder Upload. And select folder from your device. And click Open. OK, upload file and folder is finished. 5. Rename folder. If you want to change name of folder, you just right-click on folder. And click on Rename. Enter your name of folder. And click OK. 6. Change folder color. Right-click on folder. And click on Organize. Select color. OK, folder has changed to red color. 7. Move file. If you want to change location file into other folder, you can practice like this. Right-click on File. And choose Organize. After, click on Move button. Select folder to want to move file. And click on Move. Now, File to Document folder. 8. Share folder. Share is a button that using for allow someone edit your document. First, right-click on folder. And click Share. In box, click type email that you want to share. And click on Editor. And choose Editor that allow who you share can edit your file. You can write your message in box to show what you want to share. Finish, click on Send. Next, I want to express you who got your share folder. They need to find the folder and Share with Me button in Google Drive. And if you need to remove user that you shared folder, you can right-click on folder. Click on Share. And click Editor. And click on Remove Access. 9. Remove and restore folder. If you want to delete file, first, right-click on folder. And click on Move to Trash. And folder will into Trash button. And if you want this folder back to My Drive, you just right-click on folder and click Restore. And File back to My Drive. OK, check. This is a folder that restore from trash. OK, with using the Google Drive is done. Thank you for your lovely sharing.